Hi guys, today we have a brand new scooter for us to review, and this is the Hero Maestro Edge 125 Fi. Yes, we did ride it long time ago, but Hero has given it a significant change with the BS6. There's a lot of additions of new things, and as you can see, the side panel remains the same, very big, very chunky, very large. In a typical Maestro way, this has been the case ever since the Maestro came out, and this is of course the front apron, a lot of elements, lot of graphics, making it look very busy, very nice, and it's the most of the graphics are doing most of the job on this scooter to make it stand out, especially in this yellow color, which is grabbing a lot of attention for a 125cc scooter. You of course got LED lamps here which look great. That's the same exhaust, but the alloy wheel design has changed. What you can also see is it retains the Maestro look, at the same time the front end makes it look very appealing, very youthful, very nice, and very eye-catchy and very pretty as well. As you can see, this gets the segment first LED projector lights here. That's the LED DR, and it looks really impressive. There's pinstripes on the alloy wheels. The alloy wheel design itself is quite good, and we've got these very nice mirrors here, show a very good view what's behind. Pass light button has been integrated, and that is the instrument cluster. You can go through it via these buttons, and as you can see, you've got Bluetooth connectivity, you've got Hero Connect here. That's the odometer, time, fuel gauge, and 2 trips. You can pair, you can see average fuel efficiency. So there's a lot of stuff here, and what you can also do is push it like that, and you will access the fuel cap. And once you do it, then just do the same thing for the seat, like this. And you have the boot, which is slightly disappointing because the size is quite less. The Axis and other scooters provide a much more space here, but this is good enough for your everyday needs. You've got a light here as well, and there's a lot of pockets sort of inspired to keep some stuff, not to move around. And a small helmet can only fit in. Large size helmets are definitely not a fit in, and that is something you can work upon in the future. These are seats extremely comfortable. The double texture that it has makes it look very nice at first glance. Enough space to keep a lot of stuff here. I think a lot of luggage can be kept here easily because you've got 2 hooks as well, so that's great. Pass light button has been introduced in the high beam button itself. It gets the iSmart system, which starts and stops within 10 seconds, and to start it you have to press the brake and roll on the accelerator and it will start. Speaking of the engine, the 125cc motor is fuel injected, makes 9 PS of power and 10.5 Newton meters of torque. It's an extremely smooth motor, it's an extremely refined motor, and it pulls with authority. There's a lot of power and torque that helps it get off the line very quickly. We've never seen something like this from Hero, but we've seen something like this in the TVS Ntorq, and the way it accelerates ahead is fantastic. Even the exhaust note on the Hero Maestro Edge 125 is very different than everyday scooters, just like how the Ntorq is. It's got a very different exhaust note. So with the Maestro badge, Hero is offering something sporty, but at the same time it is appealing to the mass market. I think that's a very good strategy that Hero has chosen, because everybody needs to realize and experience what kind of scooters Hero is making, because this clearly feels like a world-class product, ready to be experienced. And if you should definitely get your hands on this 125cc scooter, because the pricing is also spot on at 77,000 rupees for the top end variant, and the base variant begin around 70,000 rupees. I think that's fantastic value for money, because the ride and handling is also so good, and of course it doesn't feel top heavy like the Ntorq. So because of the tires which are slightly slimmer in profile, and the ride and handling is also very good. It feels very confident, very stable. The ride quality is extremely mature. It can go over bad roads at slow speeds and high speeds. As usual, the engineering team at Hero has done a fantastic job with the chassis. It just makes it looks effortless, and it's a job really well done. Given the engine, the fuel efficiency, the ride and handling, and the service and sales reach, and the fantastic package, you should definitely have a look at the Hero Maestro Edge 125, because I think this now stands with one of the best 125cc scooters in the country, and we can't wait to spend more time with it. So when we do, we'll let you know more about it, but our first impressions are very solid. You should definitely consider the Hero Maestro Edge 125 when you are in a market for something like this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share. Still have some questions, put them in the comment section below. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook for everyday updates, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.